Hello students, find out acidic strength given following compounds. I gave two examples. So here first one is first compound having carboxylic acid COH group is there. Second compound also having COH group. Both COH group donating the protons. Both are groups are releasing protons. So out of these two, which one is more acidic nature? The COH group attached with aromatic compound, the COH group attached with cyclohexane. So out of these two, which one is more acidic? So here both are releasing proton, that COO minus, and this compound also releasing proton, so that is also COO minus. So here what is the condition in first one here? In first one is this aromatic compound, it is the this is the aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds always more acidic nature. Aromatic compounds are always more acidic nature. And the second condition is, and conjugation is present, means that is resonance is present, double bond, then single bond and double bond. So here resonance also possible, and COO minus, it is also minus M and minus I also present. So here acidic strength is directly proportional to the minus M and minus I also. Once again student, now here acidic strength is directly proportional to the minus M, minus H and minus I. This is the simple trick student. So here out of these two, which one is more acidic nature? So benzoic acid is the more acidic nature due to the presence of resonance, aromatic character, minus M and minus I. The COO minus is the minus M group and minus I also. So this A compound, out of these two, which one is more acidic? First compound is more acidic than second compound. What about this cyclic compound? This cyclic compound, it is plus I group, that is cyclic group is belongs to plus I group. Cyclic group is belongs to plus I group. So here plus I group is inversely proportional to the acidic strength. Once again student, plus I group is inversely proportional to the acidic strength, and minus M and minus I and minus H is directly proportional to the acidic strength. These are the simple tricks students. So out of these two, which one is more acidic? These aromatic compounds are more acidic nature than cyclic group. So this is very most important student, simple trick. Now take the another example, and here also same cyclopentane structure. These both are cyclic structure. These both are having double bond. So here both are releasing protons. These both are in this compound. What is the compound releasing the proton? What happened here in this compound? Double bond, and this compound getting negative charge. Remove the one proton, remove the one H plus to getting minus, this carbon getting minus charge. And what about this compound? Remove the one proton from here, minus H plus. So what happened here? Double bond, then here also minus charge is there. So here what about this? What about A and what about B? What about A compound, what about B compound? A compound, here conjugation is there, double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond. Conjugation is there, double single negative charge. Here how many pi electrons are there? 6 pi electrons are present in first compound. 6 pi electrons are present. The 6 pi electrons are belongs to aromatic. 6 pi electrons are present in aromatic compound. So this is aromatic nature. So aromaticity in the second A compound having aromaticity. So that's why aromatic compounds always more acidic nature. Aromatic compounds always more acidic nature. What about this one here? What about B compound? B compound having double bond, then single bond and negative charge is there. Here also conjugation is there. But here 4 pi electrons are present. 4 pi electrons are present. These 4 pi electrons are belongs to anti-aromatic is the less acidic nature. Anti-aromatic is less acidic nature. Anti-aromatic is the least acidic nature. So that's why A compound is more acidic than B compound. Out of these two, here this is the 6 pi electrons present. This is A compound, this is the B compound. A compound is more acidic than B compound due to the 6 pi electrons, aromatic character, and conjugation is there. So that is the reason. Simple 6 students. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.